How to use virtual card on Revolut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual card on Revolut in just a few easy steps. So first, launch the Revolut app and log into your account. Tap on the Cards tab at the top of the screen. Tap Get Card, then choose Virtual Card. Select a card color, label it, and tap Create Card. Tap on your virtual card to view details. Then, add it to your Google Wallet or Apple Wallet to start making payments. And that's it. Now you know how to use your virtual card on Revolut. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.